In this video, I'll show you how to quickly sign in to Adobe Creative Cloud. You can do this in two ways. Either open your browser and go to Adobe.com or launch the Creative Cloud desktop app if you already have it installed. On the website, you'll find the sign in button in the top right corner. In the desktop app, the sign in option is usually at the top bar or within the menu. Now enter the email address linked to your Adobe account. If you have more than one account like personal, work or school, make sure you select the right one. Next, type in your password, or if you're signing in through a company or school account, follow the single sign-on SSO process. Some accounts may also ask for a quick verification code by email, or once that's done, you'll be signed into Creative Cloud, ready to install, manage and use all of Adobe's powerful apps like Photoshop, Illustrator and Premiere. And that's it. You're all set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Adobe tutorials.